Welcome.
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 To Smiley Science. Okay, today we will be illustrating
The scientific method.
Yay!
The steps to the scientific method. First, ask a question. Do background research. Construct a hypothesis. Test your hypothesis by an experiment. Analyze your data and draw a conclusion. Communicate your results.
Flashback to the history of the scientific method. Okay, so originally the scientific method was called the experimental method and the method of science. When the word scientific was devised in the 19th century, the most widespread term applied to the method became the scientific method or the scientific method. And to conclude our history of the scientific method, there was no certain inventor of the scientific method.
Hi! My name is Emily Eaton and I am the Scientific Method Fairy.
And my name is Sir LaFleur, and I grew my hair out, as you can tell. And this is Sir LaFleur Jr.
Today we will be illustrating the scientific method.
Ooh, it's my favorite. Many of you are familiar with the scientific method, but it's not only a science fair project. The scientific method is used for everything in science.
At some point in time, you've probably asked yourself, like, I wonder what toothpaste makes my teeth whiter, or what kind of suntan lotion makes me tan.
Well, this brings us to our first step in the scientific method. Ask a question. After you have asked a question, you need to form a hypothesis and do some research on the subject.
Your hypothesis is based on your observation and prior knowledge on the subject. This being said, there are no wrong, well, there may be two because I've just said that. There are no wrong hypothesis statements. Ever. Unless I say so.
It's very true, very true. Very true. Well, another example of a hypothesis could be, I believe that Crest makes your teeth whiter because it has fluoride and good stuff for your teeth.
Also, you could say that Neutrogena sun tanning lotion is the fastest and safest tanning lotion.
Well, after you do that, you can test your hypothesis to see how it lines up with your prediction.
Keep in mind that these experiments could take a while and you might have to do them more than once.
Keep in mind that after you have conducted your experiment, you need to have a summary of the conclusion of the experiment. This will show the results of your conclusion and give an accurate answer to your question.
He's a little off his blonkers today, but it's all good. Experiment time, experiment time, experiment time, experiment time. What? Experiment time. Okay.
Experiment.
This is where we're gonna, kind of model an experiment for you. Okay, so this would be kind of our hypothesis. I wonder if Arm & Hammer Advanced White.
That's good. That's good stuff.
Is going to whiten our teeth better than, per se, Crest or Aqua Fresh or... And then what we would do is we would use a toothbrush, put the toothpaste on the toothbrush, and we would brush our teeth, and we would brush our teeth, and we would brush our teeth until we found out what would be
That's good toothpaste. It works.
the good toothpaste. And in this case, this would be the good toothpaste. And that's basically how you use it. I mean, that would be like kind of the steps for it. I mean, and we would go online. Simple. We would research, the ingredients, or we can just look on the back of the toothpaste bottle. That works too, We would analyze our data. We would write it down, if we wanted to, or we'd just keep it in the noggin. I mean, and then we'd be like, hey, use this toothpaste to
'Cause it
communicate our results.
Hey, I got an idea. Scientific method fairy.
Yes.
You should use Arm & Hammer Advanced White because it works. I did the scientific method on it.
Oh, well. And then you'll be the talk of your friends because you'll know what toothpaste to use.
Tell them so Fleur told you.
And the scientific method fairy, and you'll be cooler than what you already are. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Experiments. Experiments. Experiments.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye from the
Farewell.
scientific method fairy.
Farewell from Sir Fleur.
Goodbye.
Okay, what do you want me to say?
I don't know.
Oh, we're
What?
making a sentence.
What?
What? I'll be like a thug pirate. Or no, I'll be like. Stop! Okay. Oh, this is wait, is this videoing?